Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: a reliable Wi-Fi network and an unlocked phone. Once done, install your chosen VoIP app, Google Voice, Skype, or a SIP client. Make sure you have an account, email, and ID ready. You'll need them for verification. While installing, grant microphone and contacts permissions so calls and caller ID work. Next, pick a new VoIP or virtual number during sign-up. This will act as your outgoing and incoming caller ID, because you have no physical SIM to provide one. Once your account exists, configure both the app and system settings. You should set the VoIP app as the default dialer or enable SIP calling in system telephony settings if your phone supports it. Make sure background data and battery-exempt status are allowed, so calls don't drop when the screen sleeps. Next, link contacts and import numbers where prompted, then place an outbound call to confirm audio quality. If you see poor audio, switch Wi-Fi bands or enable coded audio options in the app settings. To finish, verify inbound routing and voicemail, then use the number for regular calling. Remember, you cannot rely on this for emergency services in many regions, so keep a backup plan. Once done, set notifications and ringtone preferences so you don't miss calls. If you run into problems, first reboot the app and router, then switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz or move closer to the access point. If call quality remains poor, enable any low latency or high priority voice settings. That usually fixes packet loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.